Bonding with your sibling is a fusion recipe. You don't know how it's going to turn out. But today, I'm going to show you one such fusion recipe that is going to definitely be great. So let's see the recipe for Biscoff Rasgulla Delight. There are a couple of steps to this recipe, so let's start with the first one. I have 1.5 cup of chilled milk here. Into this, let's add in 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Give it a stir till the sugar dissolves. I have 6 big rasgullas here. Squeeze out all the water. Cut the rasgulla into half. And now, let it absorb the milk. Let us continue the same process. Make sure you dip all the rasgullas and let them absorb the sweetened milk. Next, I have 2 cups of vanilla ice cream here that I'm going to churn. Into this, add in 3 tablespoons of Biscoff spread, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and churn this. Biscoff spread is easily available in stores or even online, so you get the spread as well as the biscuits. Just in case you don't get the spread, you can always crush the biscuits and grind it with the vanilla ice cream. Moving on, let's assemble this dish. Place the rasgullas in your serving plate. You need not take excess milk. I have some vanilla sponge over here, so just break it into small pieces and fill up the gaps. Pour the churned ice cream generously over the rasgullas and the cake. Let's crumble some Biscoff biscuits on top. Make sure you do this just before serving. Garnish with some almond flakes, some pistachio flakes. I have some roasted desiccated coconut here. Just sprinkle it on top, not too much, maybe a tablespoon. Our Biscoff Rasgulla Delight is ready. You saw how effortless this was. Make sure you serve it chilled and I guarantee you, your siblings are going to double up your gifts. Do give this a try, and this is Ruchi Bharani signing off. Happy Raksha Bandhan.